Hey everybody! Welcome back to the world of a better you. Today we're diving headfirst into the delicious world of superfoods. You know, those nutrient-packed powerhouses that can really amp up your health game. We're talking about the kind of foods that make you feel like you can run a marathon, or at least chase after the ice cream truck with a little more pep in your step. So buckle up, grab your grocery list, and get ready to discover 10 superfoods that'll have you feeling like $1,000,000. First up, let's talk berries. These tiny fruits pack a powerful punch. These little gems are like nature's candy, but without the sugar rush and guilt trip afterward. They're sweet, delicious, and incredibly nutritious. We're talking strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, the whole berry family reunion. Each one brings its own unique flavor and health benefits to the table. They're bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are like little superheroes fighting off those pesky free radicals in your body. These nutrients help protect your cells and keep you feeling vibrant and healthy. And don't even get me started on fiber. Berries are full of it, which keeps things moving and grooving in your digestive system. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy gut and can even help lower cholesterol levels. Trust me, your gut will thank you. A happy gut means a happy you. So next time you're at the store, grab a handful of berries. They're easy to find and come in so many varieties. Sprinkle them on your cereal, blend them into a smoothie, or just pop them in your mouth for a quick and healthy snack. They're versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. Remember, good things come in small packages, especially when it comes to berries. These tiny fruits are a mighty addition to any diet. Now, let's dive into the wonderful world of fish. I'm not talking about the kind that sings and dances, although that would be pretty entertaining. We're focusing on fatty fish like salmon, tuna, mackerel, and sardines. These swimmers are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are like brain food for your body. Omega-3s are known for boosting heart health, reducing inflammation, and even improving your mood. Plus, they're delicious. Whether you grill it, bake it, or even try it sushi style, make sure to add fish to your plate a couple of times a week. Your body will thank you for it. Okay, folks, it's time to talk about our leafy green friends. You know, the ones your parents always told you to eat? Well, they were onto something. Spinach, kale, collard greens, Swiss chard. These vegetables are nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and fiber. And before you even think about saying, "But Ellen, they taste like grass," let me stop you right there. There are so many delicious ways to enjoy leafy greens. Sauté them with garlic and olive oil, toss them into a salad, or sneak them into a smoothie. You won't even know they're there. Chapter 4. Nuts, a handful of health. Let's talk nuts. Almonds, walnuts, cashews, pecans. These crunchy treats are not only delicious but also incredibly good for you. They're packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats, which can help you feel fuller for longer and keep those cravings at bay. Plus, nuts are full of vitamins and minerals like vitamin E, magnesium, and selenium, which are important for heart health, brain function, and even glowing skin. So next time you're feeling peckish, reach for a handful of nuts instead of that bag of chips. Your body will thank you for it. Chapter 5. Olive oil. Liquid gold. Now, let's drizzle in some olive oil, shall we? This golden elixir has been cherished for centuries, not just for its flavor, but also for its numerous health benefits. This liquid gold is a staple in the Mediterranean diet, which is known for its health benefits. The Mediterranean diet is often hailed as one of the healthiest diets in the world. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are considered heart-healthy fats. These fats are essential for maintaining good cardiovascular health. They can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. But that's not all. Olive oil also contains anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil is also packed with antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation in the body. These antioxidants play a crucial role in maintaining overall health. So go ahead, drizzle some olive oil on your salad, use it for cooking, or even as a finishing touch on your favorite dishes, or even dip some crusty bread in it. The possibilities are endless when it comes to incorporating olive oil into your meals. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. Embrace the liquid gold and enjoy its myriad benefits every day. Chapter 6. Whole grains. Go with the grain. Let's talk about whole grains, folks. We're talking brown rice, quinoa, oats, whole wheat bread. The real deal, not the processed stuff. Whole grains are packed with fiber, which is like a superhero for your digestive system. It keeps things moving along smoothly and helps you feel fuller for longer. But that's not all. Whole grains are also a good source of B vitamins, iron, and magnesium, which are important for energy production, red blood cell formation, and muscle function. So ditch the white bread and opt for whole grain alternatives. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. Chapter 7. Yogurt. Happy gut, happy you. Let's talk about yogurt, folks. It's more than just a tasty treat. Not just any yogurt, though. We're focusing on the kind that offers real health benefits. We're talking about the kind with live and active cultures, the probiotics that are like tiny superheroes for your gut. These probiotics are beneficial bacteria that live in your digestive system and help keep things in balance. Probiotics are essential for maintaining a healthy gut. They aid in digestion, ensuring that your body absorbs nutrients efficiently. They can aid in digestion, boost your immune system, and even improve your mood. A balanced gut can lead to a happier you. Imagine starting your day with a cup of yogurt. It's a simple step towards better health. Plus, yogurt is a good source of protein and calcium, which are important for building and maintaining strong bones. Protein helps repair tissues and build muscles, while calcium is crucial for bone health. So go ahead, grab a cup of yogurt for breakfast, or enjoy it as a snack. Add it to your smoothies for a creamy texture and extra nutrients, or even use it as a healthy substitute for sour cream in your recipes. The versatility of yogurt is amazing. Your gut will thank you for it. A happy gut truly means a happier, healthier you. Chapter 8. Cruciferous vegetables. Supercharge your health. Let's talk about cruciferous vegetables, folks. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, kale. These veggies may not be everyone's favorite, but they're nutritional powerhouses. Cruciferous vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, including a special compound called sulforaphane, which has been linked to cancer-fighting properties. They're also a good source of fiber, which can help regulate digestion, lower cholesterol levels, and even reduce the risk of heart disease. So don't be afraid to add some cruciferous vegetables to your plate. Roast them, steam them, or even try them raw with a delicious dip. Your body will thank you for it. Chapter 9. Legumes. Plant-based powerhouses. Let's talk about legumes, folks. Beans, lentils, chickpeas. These plant-based powerhouses are packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. Legumes are a great source of plant-based protein, making them an excellent choice for vegetarians and meat eaters alike. They're also high in fiber, which can help regulate digestion, lower cholesterol levels, and even reduce the risk of heart disease. Plus, legumes are low in fat and calories, making them a healthy and satisfying addition to any meal. So go ahead, add some beans to your salad, make a lentil soup, or try a delicious chickpea curry. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. Chapter 10. Tomatoes red and ready to protect. Last but not least, let's talk about tomatoes. These juicy red wonders are not only delicious but also incredibly good for you. Tomatoes are packed with vitamins C and K, potassium and lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that gives tomatoes their vibrant red color. Lycopene has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, cancer, and other chronic diseases. It's also great for your skin, protecting it from sun damage and premature aging. So go ahead, add some tomatoes to your salad, make a delicious tomato sauce, or simply enjoy a juicy slice on its own. Your body will thank you for it. Well, that's a wrap on superfoods. So there you have it, folks. 10 superfoods that can boost your health and make you feel amazing. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's spread the love for healthy eating. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun and informative videos on living your best life. Until next time, stay healthy, stay positive, and keep on smiling.